Hello, we're going to say the letters and the sound. So I'm going to say the letter and the sound, and then it's your turn to say the letter and the sound. Letter, C, sound, K. Your turn. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, D, sound, D. Your turn. Good job. Letter J, sound J. Your turn. Awesome, you're doing it. My turn. Letter L, sound L. Your turn. Good job, you did it. Letter G, sound G. Your turn. Good job. Make sure you're looking and listening. Letter U, sound ah. Your turn. Very good. My turn. Letter E, sound ah. Your turn. Very good. My turn. Letter W, sound W. Your turn. There you go. Good job. Letter S, sound. Your turn. Good job. I heard S. Awesome. Letter Q, sound. Your turn. Good job. Letter K, sound. No. Let's do that again. Letter K, sound K. Your turn. Good job. You've got it. Letter B, sound B. Your turn. Awesome. My turn. Letter O, sound ah. Your turn. Good job. Letter P, sound P. Your turn. Good job. I saw you go P. My turn. Letter H, sound. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Letter R, sound R. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Letter N, sound N. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Letter Z, sound Z. Your turn. Awesome. My turn. Letter I, sound I. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Letter F, sound F. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Letter V, sound V. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Letter Y, sound Y. Your turn. Good job. This last one is my turn. Letter X, sound K. Your turn. Good job. You're doing so good. Put your hand on your back and say, wow, I'm doing so good. You sure are doing great. Now, I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to tell me what the ending sound is if they rhyme. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending. Okay, I'm going to say the words, and then you're going to say the words. Dark, park. Your turn. Dark, park, arc. You're right. Arc's at the end, so they rhyme. My turn. Flower, power. Your turn. Awesome. I heard hour. Flower, power, hour. Very good. Next two words. I'm going to say the two words and then you get to say the two words. Brain, train. Your turn. Brain, train. I heard ain. Good job. They rhyme. They have the same ending. Ain. Next two words. Slim, trim. Your turn. Slim, trim. M. You're right. They rhyme. They have the same ending. Next two words. Joy, boy. Your turn. Joy, boy. Oi is at the end. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. They have the same ending. Good job. Next two words. I'm going to say them first. Long, song. Do it with me. Long, song, ong. Remember, you're focusing on the video and you're doing the motions as I do them and saying the answer. Your teacher's watching. Okay, here we go. Tree, bee. You do it. Tree, bee. E. Good job. The same ending. Next two words. Jump, bump. You do it. Jump, bump. Ump is at the end, so they rhyme. Good job. Next two words. Thick, brick. Your turn. Thick, brick. Ick is at the end. Good job. Now I'm going to say a word, then you get to say the word, then you get to say the beginning sound. What are we doing? Oh, the beginning sound. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do it first. Baby, your turn. What's the beginning sound? B. Very good. Next word, color. K. Very good. Dad. D. Good job. 5. Very good. You're going to say it right before me. That's your goal. Gum. G. Very good. Hair. What was the first sound? Good job. Juice. J was the beginning sound. Good job. Kiss. K. Good job. Light. Ooh, good job. Milk. That was the beginning sound. Good job. Now I'm going to say two words and you're going to put them together into two words. Two words. So we have a compound word is two words put together into one. Okay? Bedtime. I heard bedtime. Good job. Cookbook. Cookbook. Good job. Try and say it right before me. Lipstick. Lipstick. Good job. Ponytail. Ponytail. That's what I heard you say. Remember, your goal is to say it right before the teacher. Undershirt. Undershirt. Good job. Everyone. Everyone. And I like how you're paying attention and looking at the video and doing the motions. Good job. Your teacher's watching you. Next one. Snowflake. Snowflake. Very good. Footsteps. Footsteps. That's what we do in class. We walk very slowly with our footsteps in the class for safety. Next two words to put into one. Toothache. Toothache. Very good. Notebook. Notebook. Wow, you're doing great. Put your hand on your back and say, wow, I'm doing so good. I'm looking at the video. I'm doing the motions. Yes, you are. Now we're going to do the ending sound. Put your arm up so you know in your brain you're going to do the ending sound. The last sound you hear. Okay, here we go. Kiss. What's the word? S was the last sound. Very good. And you're saying it right before Mrs. Hamilton. Hat. was the last sound you heard. Very good. Drive. V was the last sound. I want to hear you say it right before me. Prize. Z was the ending sound. Very good. Web. B was the last sound. Very good. Lid. D was the last sound. Very good. Roof. F was the last sound you heard. Very good. Leg. G was the last sound. Very good. Large. J. Very good. Freeze. Z was the last sound you heard. Very good. Now I'm going to have a compound word together, and then you're going to take it apart and you're going to say it. Ready? Okay, here we go. Sunlight. Putting your hands on the side, saying those two words. Sunlight. Very good. I heard you say sunlight. Very good. Next word. Downtown. I heard downtown. Very good. Headache. I heard headache. Very good. Next word. Sunday. I heard Sunday. Very good. Workout. I heard work out. Good job. Next two words together, and you're going to put them apart. Playroom. I heard playroom. Very good. Doorway. I heard doorway. Good job. Next two words, and you're going to take them apart. Spaceship. I heard spaceship. Good job. Anytime. I heard anytime. Very good. Next word. Everywhere. Everywhere is what I heard. Very good. Put your hand on your back. Say, wow, I'm doing so good. You are. Now, I'm going to do a few of these words. This is baseball, but I'm taking base away and I'm putting the foot. So now it's football. What's the word? Football. Very good. If this is football, I'm taking the foot away and I'm putting snow. So now it's snow. Good job. Snowball. If this is snowball, I'm putting snow away and I'm putting gum. Now it's gum ball. What is the word? Gumball. Very good. If this is gumball, I'm taking gum away and I'm putting kick. So now it's kickball. Very good. If this is kickball, I'm going to take kick away and putting base. Now it's baseball. Very good. Put your hand on your back and say, I'm doing so good. You sure are.